We need 4 tomatoes and we need 5 boiled eggs, 5 or 4, your wish. We need tamarind pulp, so chop the tomatoes. You need some chopped onions and you need some chopped coriander leaves, kotimira, a little ginger garlic paste and few green chilies. You need dhania powder and garam masala powder, and you need red chili powder and turmeric powder, karam and pasupu, and you need a little bit of pepper powder, or you can say miryala powder. Take some ilachi, dalchin chaka, which is cinnamon stick, and kadam, lavangam. Add some little oil, very little. Add little salt very less. Little turmeric, little red chili, karam, and little miryala powder. Not much. Now add slowly the eggs. Just be careful. Do it in low flame. So fry for few minutes and just keep it aside. So I just kept aside the eggs. Heat oil in a pan. Just take sufficient oil. Add the masala. Add onions. Sufficient onions chopped. Saute the onions till it becomes transparent or translucent. Add green chilies. Now the onions have become transparent. Add garlic paste, ginger garlic paste, little or as per your wish. Some just fry it till the raw smell goes away. Now add tomatoes. And saute it till it becomes mushy. See, the tomatoes have become mushy. It has been cooked. Now add turmeric powder. Add red chili powder. Add dhania powder, a little garam masala, little, very little. Now just mix it well. All cook for 2 minutes. Add the tamarind pulp. Just mix it for few minutes. Add salt to taste and fry it. You can see the gravy. Now we'll pour some water. Now pour some water, little, and just cook for 7 minutes. Another 7 minutes. You can see the oil is oozing out, and this is the right time to add eggs. Slowly add the eggs. And just stir it so that the eggs absorbs the masala paste completely. Now garnish with kothmeer or coriander leaves. Just give it a stir, final stir. Tasty egg curry is ready. Serve it with chapatis or rice. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.